Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you like walking, hiking, backpacking, or doing any outdoor activity, then this hydration bag from NOOLA has got your back. One of my favorite things about this bag is just how lightweight and comfortable this bag is. This bag can be used for men or women and has so many uses. We took this bag on several hiking trips and it exceeded our expectations. We loved how many pockets this bag has, and we loved that we were able to fill our water for the hike and be able to use it throughout. Of course, you can use this bag without the water bag. This bag was very durable. We put it through the ringer on multiple trips, and we don't see any signs of wear or tear. The buckles made it very easy to secure the bag in place. My husband loved it. It didn't rub or cause any irritation against my husband's skin while using it. And of course, it allowed my husband to have his hands free while hiking. Don't be fooled by the size of this bag. Even though it is a more compact bag, we were able to fit a ton in there. Our phones, our wallet, snacks, and of course, water. So if you're looking for a hydration backpack for your next adventure, and want something that's lightweight, that can keep you hands-free, then I would highly recommend this water backpack from NOOLA. And that's my point of view.